Hi folks. Today we are going to learn how to copy and paste the last spoken text, after VoiceOver has said it. Imagine you want to share the latest news from the news app over email with a friend. Now, instead of tedious typing, let's sprinkle some magic on this process. First let's move to the news app for news text. Then move the VoiceOver focus on the news you wish to copy. Let VoiceOver say the text out loud.
Researchers identify oldest known species of swimming jellyfish, phys.org, 9 hours ago, full coverage of this story. Actions available.
Now let's copy the last text that was said. Hold dots 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 on your Hable until you feel a buzz.
Researchers identify oldest known species of swimming jellyfish, phys.org, 9 hours ago, full coverage of this story copied to clipboard.
Voila! Your chosen text is now snug in a clipboard, waiting to be unleashed. Now comes the fun part. Head over to your email and get ready to dazzle your recipient with your news report.
App switcher. Mail. Active. Message content. Message body. Sent from my iPhone. Text field. Double tap to edit. Insertion points at start.
By holding dots 1, 2, 3, and 6, you can paste that gem of information right where you want it.
Researchers identify oldest known species of swimming jellyfish, phys.org, 9 hours ago, full coverage of this story.
Who knew copying and pasting could be so easy? Say goodbye to time-consuming methods and embrace the amazing VoiceOver shortcuts.